Mastering Elimination Guessing for the ACT. Hello, English language learners and future ACT champions. Today, we'll be diving into one of the most crucial strategies for the ACT, elimination guessing. If you've ever found yourself stuck on a question and unsure of the answer, this strategy could be your ticket to nabbing a few extra points. Elimination guessing isn't about wild guesses. It's a systematic approach to increasing your chances of selecting the correct answer when you're unsure. Instead of focusing on what the right answer might be, we focus on eliminating the wrong answers. The more choices you can confidently eliminate, the better your odds of guessing correctly. The ACT typically has 4 or 5 answer choices for every question. Let's say you're completely unsure of an answer. If you guessed randomly, your chances would be 20 to 25%. But, if you can eliminate even 2 wrong answers, your odds suddenly jump to 33 to 50%. And remember, every point counts when it comes to these exams. 1. Identify obviously wrong answers. Sometimes, some options are clearly not relevant or incorrect. Cross these out first. 2. Look for similar answers. On the ACT, 2 options that are very similar, but not exactly the same, are usually both wrong. 3. Trust your instincts. If something looks off about an answer choice, or if it seems unnecessarily complicated, it might be a decoy. 4. Use what you know. Even if you're not 100% sure about an answer, use your knowledge to make an educated guess. The more context you have, the better your chances. Overthinking. Sometimes your first instinct is correct. If you find yourself going back and forth, trust your gut. Eliminating too quickly. While speed is of the essence, you don't want to hastily discard a potential correct answer. Assuming patterns. Don't assume that because the last 3 answers were C, the next one can't be. Every question is independent of the others. And there you have it. With elimination guessing, you've just gained an invaluable tool for tackling the ACT. Remember, it's not about knowing all the answers, but about maximizing your chances for every question you face. Good luck, and here's hoping this strategy gives you the edge you're looking for.